today we've got all of our new structural framing members in for our bathroom. We removed all the rotted material. We took out the existing roof, so you can see we're gonna have a nice big 2-foot vaulted ceiling in that little bathroom and make it a nice wide open bathroom. It's gonna feel twice as big in there. Our final portion of this second floor framing section is the hallway. We created this new hallway which ties the new office into the 2 existing bedrooms and the hallway in the bathroom, which goes down to the first floor. So we need to put our ceiling in here and put our new private door in, so this room will be nice and open, but it'll be private from the rest of the house. Okay, so as you can see, almost all of our framing is 100% complete. Our big new great room area is all nice and open and done. Our fireplace and TV area is all framed in. We're just ready for final mechanicals, which are getting ready to start. Walk through this area with me. You see all the way through the outside. That's where the new fireplace is going to go, and the TV above it for the bar area. So the next section is going to be all the mechanicals. I'm going to show you exactly how that works.